Another trendy Kanjivaram from Vastram, which is priced at 16,800. It's a pure silk, pure zari designer Kanjivaram. Why I call it designer? It's not only because they don't have a border. It is because the way it's been woven. They don't have the buttas all throughout the normal way just you see them generally in stores and online. But this is very differently placed buttas in a square pattern. Very strategically placed buttas, which will get highlighted wherever it is required. And unwanted places, the buttas have been not given, so that those places where they don't need a highlight at all, it's still a beautiful color combination and priced at 16,800. Let's open up the sari to understand the beauty of the sari. That's a nice parrot green color, dual tonish, lighter than what you're seeing. Wow, it's got a rich pallu. Look at the pallu over there. It's pure zari woven pallu. Let me show the pallu in close. Very traditional combination of a rani pink with a nice green. Look at that. The color of the pallu will talk about the purity of the sari. The blouse is the palla color. It's a given rule that the blouse is always the palla color with a small stripe border at the back, at the edges only for the sleeves, and it's a simple kanjivaram for their caution. Now it opens up. Did I not say you? They strategically placed butta, which makes it a designer piece. Oh, I'm not getting the color properly. So that is the sari for you. Okay, it's pink color, rani pink with I don't know, magenta mixed pink. This is the whole sari. Buttas are very differently placed. It's there, it's not there kind of weaving. This is nice boxes. Boxes were in trend where we used to get a beautiful thick zari woven boxes, which I did the morning. I did a sari for Kanjivaram with panels here and there. This is also one among them. The whole sari runs through with a similar concept. A combination which is full open, a combination which is very interesting, and yeah, that is how the entire sari opens. Turn around. Very beautiful, very simple, elegant, classy. At the same time, it's got a touch of beauty and designer feel to it. That's the entire sari for you. We don't generally put the sari on our body to show, because we feel this auspiciousness for the purpose of the sari is completely varied. Amma palla ni vadu bida alli pallu torsi. Pallu edge idkoma. So that is the sari. Let me check if I can just get even a better view of it. Sorry, I'm not able to capture it. Kelag bidi. Yeah, I'll just hover it to this way. Do you see the beautiful collection of this peacocks, walking peacocks, majestically, lined up to reach a destination which is so fresh. The weaving here are very traditional. Amazingly traditional. Look, every single weave talks a different language, and it's totally different. So much of detailing on the palla. The body is peacocks again. Very beautiful traditional Kanjivaram peacocks. Okay, 16,800 is the price of the sari. Hope you really like the color combination. It is definitely a pure zari sari. That's the reason of the costing. It's so pretty and classy. That is where the speciality of our collection lies, and that is where you really have to concentrate on why Vastram collections are getting sold like hotcakes. Because I get comments like, before we even see it, it's sold. Trust me guys, we work so hard with those traditional weavers who are suffering at this time. We are posting a lot of weaver pictures just to support them, because they are all in a situation where they are in a very bad state, honestly. So they wanted us to post them and get them some business. We're also getting business. Nothing is no free lunches for anyone, boss. So we're also working hard, but at the same time we're just going with a lot of weaver pictures only for that reason, because we're not able to buy all that and help them, because practically impossible. That's might be a reason of a little bit of delay. But when we are designing a Kanjivaram, it is ours, and we work only with weavers 85%. 15% not everybody will be able to source out. Till now our team is struggling to get the correct person to give you the best price. Very recently also we had a controversy on the costing for a simple budget sari. Then we refunded the cost because we felt that it's not fair. Our mistake shouldn't pinch the budget of the customer, the pocket of the customer. So that's the genuinity with which we work. Hope you really enjoy the collections. If you have anything to be added, we will definitely do. We've been doing a lot of varieties. Some will be stopped at some point in time, because not all varieties we'll be able to handle, because working with 15 or 13 people together, we're not able to satisfy the number of needs that that we are having. So we are working hard as possible. We are expanding ourselves. We are opening a new boutique. That's the first time I'm letting you know. It's a 3,000 square foot owned boutique, and you're going to enjoy the beauty of it very soon. Give us the year end, and from Jan you will see a very fresh Vastram with a walk-in. So happy, even though we are restricting our walk-ins, but still we're going to have a very pleasant ambience and a lot of workspace and workforce to help you throughout the clock. Happy shopping.